If an object moves at a constant speed, we can calculate this speed as the distance it travels in a given time. So speed is equal to the distance travelled divided by time. This is a really important equation that you should be able to recall easily. So this equation tells us that at larger speeds, more distance is covered in less time. In symbol form, speed is given by v, the distance travelled is given by s, and time is given by t. So v equals s divided by t. And in this equation, we assume that speed is a fixed value. The time is measured in seconds. The distance travelled is measured in metres, and then speed has units of metres per second as we divide the distance by time to get the speed. Let's have a look at an example. A helicopter travels at a constant speed of 90 metres per second. Calculate the time it would take the helicopter to travel a distance of 45 kilometres. So for step 1, let's write down the key information and check the units. The speed is equal to 90 metres per second, and the distance is given to be 45 kilometres. Now our equation uses metres, so we need to convert our units. That is 45,000 metres. And we want to calculate the time taken. For step 2, let's rearrange the speed equation to make time the subject. And we can do that by multiplying both sides of the equation by time as the first step. The equation then becomes speed times time is equal to the distance travelled. We can then divide both sides of the equation by speed, and the equation then becomes time is equal to the distance travelled divided by speed. Then for step 3, all we need to do is substitute the values to calculate the time. So the time is equal to 45,000 metres divided by 90 metres per second, and that gives us 500 seconds.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Physics course. See you there!